If people aren't clicking, nothing else matters. You can structure the perfect video. You can optimize retention. And you can build systems. But if the thumbnail fails, the video dies before it starts. In the last video, we fixed how people watch. Now we fix how they choose. In this video, you'll learn the exact thumbnail structure that increases click-through rate consistently. You'll understand what makes someone stop scrolling. And you'll build a repeatable thumbnail system that you can use on every upload. Start with this. A thumbnail has one job, and that is to interrupt the scroll. Its job is not to explain the video, or to look artistic, or to impress other creators. Only to interrupt. And there are only 3 levers that do that. 1. Contrast. 2. Curiosity. And 3. Clarity. Let's break them down. Contrast is what makes your thumbnail visible in a sea of other videos. If everything on the home page is bright and noisy, simplicity wins. And if everything is simple, then bold contrast wins. This is why your background must stay consistent. Dark blue or purple. Clean layout with high contrast yellow, white, or red text. Consistency builds recognition, and contrast earns the click. Second lever, curiosity. Curiosity is not clickbait. Curiosity is tension. Tension is the gap between what they already know and what they still want to know. Here's a bad thumbnail example. How to design YouTube thumbnails. That's informational. And here's a good thumbnail example. This one change doubled CTR. Now there's some real tension. Your text should create a question in their head, not answer it. Never explain the full idea on the thumbnail. Tease the outcome. Third lever, clarity. If someone can't understand your thumbnail in under 1 second, it fails. 3 to 5 words maximum. Large font. No paragraphs. No tiny details. And design for mobile first, because most impressions happen there. Now here's the system. Left side, bold statement. Right side, simple visual proof. Text on the left, visual on the right. Keep it clean. No clutter, no extra icons, and no unnecessary graphics. Use a visual that supports the claim. If the text says low CTR, then the visual might be a simple downward graph. If the text says fix this, then the visual might show a corrected version. Not realistic and not busy. Use simple shapes, simple charts, and simple arrows. Your thumbnail should feel like a headline on a billboard. Fast, clear, and punchy. Okay, so now let's talk about consistency. If every thumbnail uses a different style like this, you reset viewer recognition every time. But if every thumbnail follows the same structure, people start recognizing your videos before they read the text. That recognition alone increases clicks. This is why your series must look like a system. Same background family, same layout, same text hierarchy, but with a different message. There is one more mistake to avoid, and that is designing for yourself. Because you are not the target.
Your viewer is scrolling fast, half paying attention, and probably distracted.
So you need to design for distraction. Big. Simple. Obvious. Before you upload, do this test. Zoom the thumbnail out until it's tiny. If you can still read it instantly, it works. If not, simplify. Remember this: title and thumbnail work together. The thumbnail creates tension. The title completes it.
They should not repeat the same words. They should create a loop like this.
When a thumbnail says, CTR is dying, then the title should say, How to design thumbnails that get clicked consistently. Now there's a connection. That connection earns the click. Remember this: if nobody clicks, the system never starts. Thumbnails create the opportunity. Structure keeps people watching. But views alone don't build a business. In the next video, I'll show you how consistent views turn into predictable income without relying on YouTube ads. Click the next video and let's build that system.